Good morning, student. Today I am reading this chapter and you also read with me. So start from the first word. For thousands of years, people believed that the earth was flat. In fact, they were afraid that if they were if they traveled to the ends of the earth, they might fall off its edge. In recent times, astronauts have taken pictures of the earth from space. These clearly show that the earth is round and shaped like a giant ball. It is made of land and water. About 1/4 of the earth's surface is covered by land, 3/4 by water. Water is found in oceans, rivers, and lakes, as well as underground. Life is possible on earth because of this water and also because of air that surrounds Human beings live on land and do plants and other living things. Some plants and animals live in water. Now the new word for you is horizon. What is horizon? When sometime we stand in an open garden or near seashore, it seems that very far away sky and land meet from each other, but it is not true. जब हम कभी बहुत खुले एरिया में खड़े होते हैं या हम सी शोर पे खड़े होते हैं तो हमको ऐसा लगता है जैसे दूर स्काई और लैंड एक दूसरे से मिल रहे हैं. लाइक इन दिस पिक्चर, द ब्लैक पार्ट of in this picture is land and the blue part is sky, and at one point there is a line where it looks like sky and land is meeting from each other, but this is not true. And written also, the point at which the earth and sky seems to meet is called the horizon. It not meet truly, but it seems, उनको लगता है जैसे वो meet कर रहे हैं, that is horizon. So when we look far out across the distance, the earth appears to touch the sky. The point at which the earth and sky seems to meet is called horizon. वो point जहाँ पर ऐसा महसूस होता है कि अर्थ और स्काई एक दूसरे को टच कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे से मीट कर रहे हैं, उसको हम होराइज़न कहते हैं. बट दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता. जब हम वहाँ जाएंगे तो हमको लगेगा अरे ये तो मिल ही नहीं रहे. सो व्हाट इज़ योर वर्क टुडे? Today read this page loudly at home. Bye.